Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with a short video this week. This is a bomb squig from Blue Sky Minis. I wanted to do something a little bit different from the standard red squig, so I'm going for a purple skin with this one. I primed them mini black, gave them a white zenithal highlight, and I'm going to be trying out some of the two thin coach triads. So the base color for the purple is Amethyst Rain. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. The first highlight up for the skin is Sorcerer's Cloak. I'll work up from about midway on the squig and just leave that darker purple in the recesses and the below. The final highlight for the skin is Runic Purple. This is just the uppermost raised areas and some of the parts that are just flat and facing upwards. I wanted to dull down the colours a little bit and just blend them in some more, so I wash all of the skin with purple tone. Moving on from the skin, I start with all the leather straps with cork brown. I also take this opportunity to base coat the teeth and the claws. For the visor, I base coat the entire thing with off-white. I also take this opportunity to add some highlights to the teeth and claws. The tongue needed a little bit of love, so I grabbed Squid Pink and gave it a quick base coat with this. Moving on to the metal parts, I tried out plate armor from Two Thin Coats. This covers really well and has a similar tone to plate mail metal from Army Painter. To break up some of that silver, I grabbed glistening gold. This also covers really well and probably covers better than most of my other golds. I wanted to add some shadows to the metallics, so I washed them and the base with dark tone. The final wash is blue tone for the visor and the tongue. I do spend some time afterwards cleaning up that visor just to leave it on the edges and the crosshair. And that will be it for the Bomb Squig. A nice quick and easy paint job. These things are probably brilliant for trying out different color types, as they're very simple and you can still really see what you need to do. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.